This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Android Studio with a project open. Don't delay. Open Preferences or Settings now and go to Appearance and Behavior, then Appearance. Once there, you'll see Theme Options and a Preview pane. This is where you control editor and UI color schemes. Make sure to pick a base theme first: light, dark, IntelliJ. This initial choice determines what color tokens are available, so choose one that matches your accessibility and contrast needs before customizing color accents. Now you'll dive into specific color settings. Open Color Scheme for editor syntax and background settings, and theme settings for UI accents. Click the gear or edit theme to modify primary, secondary, and accent colors and tweak component backgrounds like tool windows and tabs. Once done with a change, preview it in the sample code and UI preview. This lets you iterate quickly. Make sure to save incremental changes and export the scheme if you want to reuse it across machines or share with teammates. Finish by applying your customized theme and, if prompted, restart Android Studio to ensure all UI elements refresh. You can export the theme via Manage Export to keep a backup or to install on another machine. If something goes wrong, colors look wrong or inconsistent, invalidate caches and restart, or revert the theme to default and reapply changes step by step. Keep a copy of your exported theme so you can restore your exact color setup anytime without redoing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.